As one of the most popular tourist destinations in Southeast Asia, Malaysia is home to countless attractions that draw visitors from all over the world. Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia, is known for its towering skyscrapers, vibrant culture and delicious cuisine. One of the best places to stay in Kuala Lumpur is the Sunway Resort, a massive complex that features a luxurious hotel, world-class restaurants and even an amazing theme park called the Sunway Lagoon.
This is certainly a kid's paradise. It has it all, from a suspension bridge, flying fox, the lagoon and even a wave pool. I am like a kid in a candy store here. It is so much fun. So I thought I'd do a little recipe that's kid-friendly. Honey sticky wings, and I'm going to give it a bit of an orange twist. So it's really easy, very simple. You just need to heat up a wok. I'm going to add some orange juice, so straight in there. This one's quite hot, so be careful. I'm going to add some honey just to get it extra sweet, but the honey's also going to help make these really sticky and glossy. So this is all going to reduce together. And some classic sauces that go in a lot of Malaysian dishes. Some fish sauce, so a little splash of that. You don't want to overdo the fish sauce because it can be quite dominant, along with some light soy sauce. Good splash. And some dark soy sauce. And that is the base for this recipe. Okay, now for the chicken wings. So I've just removed the wing tip and then cut it through the joint. So we've got little drumettes, if you like. These go straight in, so there's no need to pre-fry them. They're all going to cook really gently in this beautiful orange juice and soy mixture. And it's as simple as that. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this, keep tossing them so they cook evenly, and within 20 minutes, you'll see how much this changes. Okay, I've been tending to these beautiful sticky wings. You can see how glossy they are. They're cooked to perfection. And you can see there's very little liquid left. That's what you're after. So let's plate this up because I can tell there is a storm coming. So we've got to be quick. I'll place these onto a plate. And I just love cooking these like this because you get that meltingly soft chicken in the center, sticky on the outside, slightly caramelized. Oh, look at that. Pile them up. You won't be able to stop at one of these. They are that delicious. A few more. Beautiful. And if it was for the kiddies only, then you can leave the chili off. Because I'm a big kid, I'm going to add some chili. I love the color of that. Some macroot leaf, sprinkle that over the top, and you can serve that with a little hint of lime. This is simple cooking at its best. The whole family is going to love it. I am certainly going to love this, but I think I'm going to take this undercover because the storm has arrived.